Well, I'm on vacation. Let's do my makeup together. Everything is here. So just, just a quick makeup look for vacation. I'm just taking my Dior backstage. I just found it very convenient to travel with because it's plastic and you don't have to worry that it will break. I'm just starting with applying it like skincare. Of course, I already did all my skincare and SPF. Something really quick and easy. A very nice hotel. We had a blast, but it's checkout day and we need to check out in 50 minutes, and we still want to go and see the sea. See the sea, yeah. This is really nice makeup for traveling. It's very easy, as you can see. That's the part that takes the longest, is applying the foundation. Just going a bit down for my neck for it to be seamless. And for bronzer, I have this one from Catrice, which is really cute. Product comes from here. 2 dots is enough. And whoa, what's that? And I can always add more, so I do prefer starting with less product and building it if I need, than going strong with too much. So I did promise my husband that it will not take more than 10 minutes. So we will have some time to see the sea before we check out. We wanted to do late checkout, but it turns out that it costs a lot of money. We just wanted to prolong the checkout by an hour, and they wanted $100. That's too much, I think, just for 1 more hour. So we're kind of not doing that. I'd rather spend $100 at Sephora than have 1 more hour. I mean, maybe if we wanted to stay longer, then it would be a possibility, but just for 1 hour, I don't see the value in that. Okay, so Rimmel in the shade 005. This is very pigmented. I'm just adding a bit. I did not bring a mirror, so I can't really see what I'm doing except from the phone screen, so I'm not really sure if that's too much blush or not. I'm just taking my blush brush, holding it like this, can you see, and tapping it instead of buying a new brush that is tapered. I'm just taping it, tamping it myself. And now I have this one from Sephora collection. This is their Colorful Blush Glaze in 02, which is really cute because it gives you both blush and highlighter, but don't take too much because it's pigmented. But this is not enough for me. I want more highlight. And I have another Sephora collection. This is a highlighter. This is the Luminizer in 03, which I really love. Look at that. Just a beautiful highlighter. Now let's do brows. I'm still using my Essence. I need to make sure that at least someone can see my brows, because I did not bring a gel or anything like it. I travel light when I travel. I don't like bringing my entire collection with me. As less as possible is best. Okay, we are at 5 minutes and we have mascara. This one's from Essence as well, and unfortunately again I did not bring a small mirror, and none of the products I have has a mirror, so I hope it's okay. I'm just coating the lashes. For lips, I have my e.l.f. lip liner in Baddest Beige. Oh, this is a pretty shade. And for lips, it almost fell. Another Sephora collection favorite. Love this product. I have it in 2 shades. This is, by the way, I forgot to say, 01. Look at this beautiful combo. That's it, I'm ready. 6 minutes, give or take, and I'm all done for vacation. Let me know what you think. Unfortunately, we're going home today. Okay, like this video if you enjoyed it, and I will catch you all in my next video. Bye.